open up your window.
I'm
in Las Vegas yet.
For the duration of life.
Yep,
Thank
we're
you.
in Las Vegas. Can you roll up your window? Woo! All right, are you excited? Oh, let's keep that up. Do you need to go to the bathroom? Tate, are you excited to go home? Why are you excited? Why are you excited, Tate?
Charles!
Tate, why are you excited?
Because I want to see Charles.
You want to see Charles?
Yes.
What do you want to do with Charles? Uh-huh. Oh, don't unbuckle that yet. Hey, stop. You're just tightening it? I don't see any clouds.
I do look.
Oh, yeah. Up and down and up and down. Whoa. It's like a roller coaster. Whoa!
It is like a roller coaster.
Yep, we gotta be quiet.
This is making me laugh. But Daddy, this is making me laugh. Zoe,
Uh-huh.
when you see Devaney's rabbit, can you make the secret potion and then make Devaney's bunny do it?
I don't know who Devaney is.
I didn't know you had Devaney's bunny.
I don't know who Devaney is.
No, Devin, your sister.
Oh, you don't have a sister.
Not have a sister.
This is just to protect her privacy.
Talk about it.
Let her don't know.
Oh, Dad, your friend. Devaney's your friend.
I don't have a friend named Devaney, but okay.
You do. Devaney.
Okay, I guess I do.
Stop filming. You need to be quiet.
Zoe, why did you? Zoe? Yes. Why did you